Welcome to SEO Time Machines, the world's first operating system for your browser. I'm Dimitri, the creator, and today I'd like to show you our text snippets feature, which is part of our productivity suite, and it works hand in hand with our clipboard feature. So text snippets allow you to auto expand instantly, so it's an auto-complete feature, but it also allows you to store snippets like a code snippet storer, and it works perfectly in Google Docs and Gmail, but it doesn't work in some other situations, and I'll show you why that is and how we can mitigate it. So how can we use it? Let's imagine that, well, first of all, you can, rather than typing a website over and over or some particular phrase over and over, you can just save that phrase once and then have it as a text snippet. Let me just show you. Or for example, like right arrows are really hard. I might need right arrow for a particular reason. So I've made that into a text snippet that can be auto expanded. I typed RA and then hash, and it changed it to the arrow. If I want, for example, to type this address here, I launched the quick launch toolbar using the shortcut, press S for snippet, and then type new, and new will create a new snippet. So let's say that this is Opal website. I just picked a random one. Keyword ODU, because it's Opal's down under with a hash. It must end with a hash in order to trigger the autocomplete. So that's the only caveat. And we can paste the website here. Let me just take off these parameters there. So now when we save the snippet, if I ever want to, for whatever reason, just type this or any other phrase, it automatically expands it. So it works very well in this and Gmail. So most text snippets will only let you save a couple of hundred characters. This particular one will let you save up to 2,000 characters as a text, 50,000 characters as a text snippet. Here's where it doesn't work. So, but there is a way around it. So if I have anything with an iframe in it, because it's in another computer, if you like, it's in another screen, so it can't detect what's in another screen. It can only detect what's on this screen. So if I try and type right arrow, it's not going to work here. It's also not going to work here because this too is an iframe. But what you can do is type S for snippet, and then let's say you have 50 or 100 or 1,000 snippets, you can type right and it'll filter it down. Pressing enter will copy it to the clipboard, and then you can just paste it like this. So it's an extra step, but you don't lose anything. So with this feature, you can have email templates, replies that you do often, shortcut words, so that you like maybe a sign-off greeting. You can just type that with a few keywords and that'll get stored. Now here is where it gets interesting and where it ties in with our clipboard feature. So if, for example, I want to grab this color here, it's already in the clipboard. You can see it if I type C for clipboard, you can see that there. Now, if there's anything that you've copied from the clipboard that you'd like to save as a snippet, all you have to do is press save as snippet. It'll pre-populate it, and then it'll just open it up like this. So I might do, let's say this is a brand color. It's getting late, I can't type. And we could do SO and hash. It must end in a hash. Next time I need that color, I can just type, obviously I want to do it into Google, but this is just to show you, and I get that color there. So that is the SEO Time Machines text snippets working together with our clipboard and the auto expand feature.